I just have to talk to the whole class at first, and then I kind of narrow it down to the culprits, okay? So in this case, we're supposed to fill in the cells, okay? And we want the total cost plus tax. We're told that PST and RST are 7%. They mean the same thing. Most of the time, the province will go with RST, and the GST is 5%. Okay. So first, we're going to fill in this table here. So for engine tune-up, the province wants you to fill in every single cell. And if you want marks for every cell, you need to have a $sign in every cell. That's the annoying part, okay? Tires, we've got 4 tires at $200. That's $800. So you basically just multiply. 5.5 liters of oil at $18 per liter. If you multiply that, you get $99. Okay? 3.5 hours of labor. You multiply that by 125. You get $437.50. So you've now figured out, right, what it is per line. Now you add it up and you get a subtotal. So subtotal is adding all of this up. You would get $1,636.50. So all of this adds up to $1,636.50. Okay, so just in case you're wondering how I came up with that number. And this is where things change a little bit. Some of your teachers in the past may have done it this way anyways, but you need to make sure you break this down. GST is 5%. Okay, so you got to multiply this by what? 0.05. You just want the GST that is being paid for this subtotal here. This is supposed to be a 50, by the way. All right, that's why I like this calculator, because for the 7% RST, I'm just going to go arrow back to where the 5 was. I'm going to change it to a 7, hit equals, and now I get just the RST portion. And now you're ready to give me the total here. So you just add everything up, right? So you go 1636.50 plus 81.83 plus 114.56. And here we go, 1,832.89 cents. If the province asks you to fill in a table, you have to do it this way. You can't just skip and do a different method and just come up with the 1832.89. If you want full marks, you would have to fill in every single cell. Okay, doesn't happen very often, but I need you to be prepared for that. If you want this, I don't know how, basically I show how I got that answer here. I will add that. For some of you, this might be beneficial to add these 2 lines to show how I got that. Okay, we're not done yet. We need to figure out the total cost of this car, including all of these repairs that have been performed. So this is getting you ready for the AC, right? I hope you will have enough room. This is private, right? So use private. The price of the car is $15,000 plus this portion here is book value or purchase price. The book value is higher, correct? Then I add safety. $40 times 1.05. What else do I need? I need the parts and labor. So here you have to be careful. This shows whether or not you understand the formula. If I use 1832.89, will I multiply that by 1.12? No, because I've already, this number already includes taxes, so I will not be multiplying this one by 1.12. If you grab the 1636 in here, then you multiply by 1.12. Got it? So it's important that you understand how to adjust the formula if you need to. Do I have a lien search? It doesn't mention it, so it's just 15,000 plus 1470 plus 42 plus 1832.89. All of that adds up to 18,344.88 cents. And after today's AC, we're going to look at, most of us don't have 18,000 laying around in a bag, right? That you go to the person, just like, here, 18,000, right? Most of us are probably going to get a loan. I'm guessing. If it's this big of a number, you might get a loan and finance it, right? So we're going to look at financing today after the AC. Any questions? I hope you tried some questions on your own, because you don't know what to ask if you don't try this. You have no idea what to ask for if you haven't tried it. So you got to make sure you try it, okay? All right.